Hello, ADLM community. My name is Adlm Cousin, and I'm the team lead and founder at ADLM Studio. I'd like to announce the launch of an amazing tool from ADLM, which is the ADLM website. The ADLM website is something that you've literally been waiting for and hoping for a very long time. This website is the next phase in what we're doing at ADLM, because with this website, it's going to literally make your workflow easier. Accessing ADLM tools, connecting with all of your ADLM tools has never been easier as easy as this before. With the new ADLM website, it makes your workflow faster, easier, and even more accessible. You get to do more with your PlanSwift plugin, your Revit plugin, even the rate gen software, and more other software that are coming from ADLM. Trust me, we're just getting started. Because this website, as a cost manager, projects manager, construction cost estimator, even quantity surveyor, this website is actually going to make your work easier, faster, and even take it to the next level. This video will be about a full deep dive on how to make use of the website, features of this website, how to sign in, sign up, and make use of various tools. You know how this website links to all of ADLM tools. With just one login details, you can manage all of your subscriptions, manage all of your app, even the courses at ADLM. All of this can be accessed through this website. Free courses, free videos, and also stay tuned for several freebies on this website, as you'll be getting access to coupon codes which will come up regularly on this website. And for those that are on the wait list of this launch, on this launch day, we are going to be sending a mail to you where you get your coupon code for amazing discounts on all of the DLM tools as long as you use the website to make purchase. This is the beginning of a new revolution in the AEC industry. Let's get into the video.
Hi, Adlm family. This is how to navigate the new Adlm website, starting from the homepage. Click the product section at the top to view all available products. From here, you can select any product and view the details. Please take your time to go through the description, the features, read carefully so you can understand better. Click on the About section and please take your time to read through it. You can also access our previous trainings from the same section. Next, click on Learn More. This will take you to our free YouTube tutorials. These tutorials will give you a step-by-step beginner-friendly guide on how to use all our available softwares. At the right, click on Man in Blue, aka Chatbots. This chatbot will answer every single question you need. Now that you have understood how the website works to a level, click on Sign Up. Create an account using your name, your WhatsApp number, and your email. Please ensure you put in the correct details, and note that we'll be sending you subsequent mails for any offers that might benefit you. Now that you've logged in, click on Purchase. The number of softwares available will be displayed. Click on Add and choose whichever software you intend to purchase. Select the duration you want. It could be 6 months or 1 year, depending on what you can afford. Next, enter your discount coupon code. Don't worry if you don't have it, you can also proceed and just make payments. Make a transfer to the displayed account number and click on Confirm Payment. Once your payment is confirmed, you'll have access to your dashboard. You can manage, review, use all your subscribed softwares from here. And that is just the basics. If you have any further questions, feel free to chat Mr. Blue chatbot or send us a WhatsApp message. Find the WhatsApp number on the contact button. And I hope to see you. Thank you for choosing ADLM.